Thank you for joining me on day one of my Hoopiversary challenge. This is the first combo. So let's start. And we start with a cradle grip twizzle up. That's where you have one hand as the cradle to rest your hoop in, like that. And then keeping your knuckles forward, the other hand will push the hoop around to touch the back of your hand, push it round again to sit back in the cradle, like that. And if you do that while lifting the hoop up, keeping those knuckles forward, it's going to look twizzly, like that. Just one rotation looks great. Go right the way up and hinge down. Then we're going to do a two-handed isolation. One hand comes down to 6 o'clock, other hand comes behind, drives it up to 12 o'clock. Hand behind and pull it back down to 6 o'clock. Then this hand's going to push out to the side, push. Thumb is now down. The arm is going to go across and the hoop is going to roll over the back of your hand. So we go wee, and now you've got your thumb up. We tip the hoop behind to frame us, take this arm out and tip the hoop over. Then your arm pushes from behind to take it all the way around to this nice position here. We're going to do a down escalator by tipping the hoop down and lifting the opposite leg to your top hand, like that. We step out and we're ready for the second combo. Are you ready for day 2 of my Hoopiversary challenge? Whee! We finished the first combo like that. We bring the hoop in front of us and we're going to do a revolving door step through. Lifting with the same hand and leg. Lift up, frame yourself, grab the bottom of the hoop, let it drop behind you, and then you lift up again. Bottom of the hoop, drop behind you, lift up, here you are framed. You're going to do a thigh spin, keep your head back so it doesn't get bumped by the hoop. Wash it round and dive through. Oh, take it over your head, down under your foot, and flip it back. Ta-da! That was the second combo. Well done. We're ready for the third combo in my Hoopiversary challenge. And it's got a double dip step through in it. Hooray! Whoop! So we finished the last combo like that. We're going to take the hoop, hold it from behind so we can take it round, floating it around us, all the way round and back. The momentum of the hoop as it comes round, if you let it go, you can stir the pot. That means you let it go, it rolls around the back of your hand and you grab it again. We're going to tap it against our thigh, it's a thigh break, and let it go back the other way. So it went stir, tap, stir, round. Bring it round, it's now vertical and your arm is going to come through the hoop and grab it on top. We're going to sort of unravel that by going up and over, up and over, and then we let the hoop rest on the back of our hand in front of our body. We're going to do the double step through, my favourite. Lifting opposite leg to hand, up and grab the hoop. Put your foot down, the same hand keeps holding the hoop and brings it round to the front. And it lifts, so you're now same hand and leg. Up it goes and you go through it. And then you put your weight on the front foot and get this other hand out of the way. This other hand hasn't touched the hoop at all, and it's still not going to, because as you put your weight down, the thigh will bring it forward and this hand can release it and catch it. So all the work's been done by one hand. Then take it off, pointing your foot, frame yourself behind and bring it down for a little twizzle, and you're ready for the next combo. Whee! Are you ready for the fourth combo in my Hoopiversary challenge? Whee! Whoosh! And into a backpack. What could be nicer? So, we finished the last combo with a little twizzle in front. We're going to glide the hands down to hold the outside of the hoop. take it up into a sunshine mandala. So the top hand rolls the hoop behind you, keeps on rolling until the other hand is on top. Then it can come down. We're going to flip the hoop around, so your arms are crossed, and change this grip so that both hands are facing that way. Then we're going to do the crossed hand mandala. Helps to keep your elbows nice and bent and relaxed. If you try and do it out here, it's not going to work. So, up it goes, and keeps going till it gets down. We're going to go round again, but stop at the top of our head, and the hoop is going to carry on in the same direction, but more like an isolation. And if you turn to face it, we're sort of turning it into a barrel roll. Round it goes, till here we are again, in a good position to pop it into the backpack. So I'll show you those two mandalas from behind. So, up, roll, 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 till the other hand's on top, bring it down. We did that little flip and the little grip change. Then, up it comes, down it goes, keeps on going till it gets to the top. The hoop is going to carry on, hello, it comes up there and into the backpack. We're halfway through my Hoopiversary challenge, and this one is the 5th combo. Woo. So we finished the last one in the backpack. So this way out of the backpack, we're going to hold the hoop with an outside grip, bring it up to the side, and then put your pointer finger underneath, because then your pointer finger is going to point towards your chest. You keep a little bit of a grip with your elbow while the hoop drops down and you grab it on top. From there you can spin it out until you find yourself in that position. Bring the other hand to match it, so they're thumb to thumb. Then the one hand pulling and the other one ghosting. It comes out, ghosty, 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 till it's flat. You can do some little twizzles while it's there. And then we're going to cross over to do a crossed arm lasso. So the top hand in your cross is going out and around. Whee! Now you've got a new top hand that's going to do the steering. Cross your body, up and around. You can keep going, but we're going to tip it over and bring it down and take it round behind us, which is ready for combo number 6. I really love this dragonfly flick move, so of course I had to include it in my Hoopiversary challenge. And there it is in combo number 6. Let me talk you through it. So we ended the last combo with a hoop like this. What we're going to do is put our arms behind and flip the hoop back. Then we bring the hands over and tuck them in. So they're tucked in. At the same time, we put one leg back and lift the hoop up, which puts us in this lovely dragonfly position. Here we are for a pose. Put all your weight on your front foot, and this bit is just the same as the thing you learned in the double dip step through. The arm comes through, grabs, pointy toes, round, and there it goes. Then we're going to roll over the back of the hand, and things happen behind my back, so I'm going to show you the other way round. It rolls over the back of my hand, and the other hand catches it. Then that hand will toss it up, so it's gone up, and this arm's come through behind and grabbed it. So there I am, I grab the hoop, I fold it up, over and over again, so it's sort of resting on my arm, like that, which means I can bring it in, whee, for a lasso. You have to be very decisive with that bit, but that completes the 6th combo. I hope you're having fun. I am. Here's my 7th combo in the Hoopiversary challenge. So, we ended the last combo in a lasso. You're going to grab the hoop like this for the lasso break. You tap it against your shoulder and you turn it so your thumb is up. You turn it so your thumb is down. You can't physically go any further without letting go. So you let go and let it roll over the back of your hand and grab it thumbs up. So it's tap, turn, turn, roll, catch. And the catch is thumbs up. From there we go thumbs down, so we can pass it behind our back and put it in front of our body, like that. We bring this arm through the hoop, grab it on top, because we're going to paint a rainbow like we do with the rainbow weave. So it goes up, up, over the rainbow and behind us, and again flipped in front as if we're going to do another rainbow. But instead we're going to do some flipping of the hoop. We're going to take it up and over, and we rest it on the back of our hand, because that's the starting position for the next combo. It's hard to believe that we're already on the 8th combo of my Hoopiversary challenge. So let me show you how to do it. We finished the last combo with the hoop on the back of our hands. Our arm is going to draw a big circle, taking the arm across the body, up and over. Only I've got a light above me, so my circle's going to be a bit smaller. And as we do that, we're going to pop our elbow into the hoop as it comes round. Helps to have bare skin for elbow hooping. Elbow in, nice up and down movement. Look to the top of the hoop so you can grab it underneath and go into a forward weave. Weave, weave, bring it down again on the same side, pass it behind, turn to face your audience and tip it over. Step through and you've done it. We are nearly at the end of my Hoopiversary challenge. Oh, I'm so grateful to everybody who has joined in to make this such a special occasion. And this is our 9th combo. And it starts with the alternating foldovers. So I'm going to show those from behind because that's where the action happens. So here we are holding the hoop and we take it out to the side, holding on with both hands. The leg goes with it and hoop and leg come round to the front. Then we can fold the hoop back. Still holding on with both hands, glide the hoop along your back, bring the leg round as well. You can adjust your grip to the front so that you can fold the hoop forwards. We've got another one coming up, so we're going to glide the hoop, glide the leg, adjust the grip and bring it over. And then we pull the hoop up like that. So here we are with the hoop pulled up. The next thing we do is tip it forwards. It's framing you with a smile. Tip it forwards again. And then we take it out to the side. Knuckles are up so that you can bend your elbow, bring it behind you. Take this arm out, pop the hoop so it has some contact with the top of your arm, and then be brave and let it roll down to your hand. Fold it in, and you're done with number 9. There's only one more to go. It's the 10th combo in my Hoopiversary challenge. Here we are. Who would have believed it? Whee! Feeling a bit emotional, so I'm going to get straight into the explanation. Right, we ended the last one out here and we're going to fold the hoop in. So fold, fold. You're in quite an awkward position. You now need to bend your elbow and perhaps lean forward a little bit while you just fold it in front of you here. That's the position we're in. The other arm's going to come in and take over the grip. And then we're going to fold it out. Fold, fold, fold. Much easier going out. From there, swing the hoop back a bit and behind you into this nice shape, which is the yin-yang hoop hug, which I have saved to last because it's one of my favourites and I do it all the time. And I'm going to show it from behind because you'll learn more easily that way. So, here we are, hand underneath, hand underneath. Bring the hoop out to the side, let it go down, you have to let go of the grip. But then you're back in contact, you hold it out to this side, tip it over, bring it round to the front, change your grip with that front hand so that the knuckles are forward and lift it up. From there you give it a little tip with your elbow, whee, so it goes all the way round and back again. And here you are. So we follow that with sweeping out and down for a Z spin. Comes in front of the body, up, turn, turn and down. You can turn it into a palm spin if you want, or you can just make it a little whizzy Z spin. And then from there, we're going to do a cradle grip twizzle, up. Because look, we've come full circle to the beginning again. You could carry on and do the whole thing if you want to. But whatever you choose to do, I'm just so thankful that you've been here with me. The last 10 years have been incredible. I could never have guessed what hooping would have brought to my life. So much happiness, so many lovely hoop friends. It's been an absolute wonder, and I'm looking forward to hooping with you for many more years to come.